So welcome to Techie Rocket, and this is the video of some basics commands of Kali Linux. If you are master in Kali Linux, so that video is not for you. In this video, I'll show the some basics commands of the Kali Linux terminal. Okay, let's begin. What's the Kali Linux? It's the OS of with the pre-installed tools. You don't need to install other tools for any testing, for your process, for any attacks, and so many. So let's begin. Let's open the terminal and test the terminal. In the terminal, the first is sudo command. What is sudo command? Sudo command gives you the root privilege. If you not log in as root, then you can't do some things like installation of any software. So if you want to install any software, you need to give the sudo command and then type any command. So if we add sudo, this sudo use when sudo type, after that you need to type the command. And if you type su is super user, then it will ask the password if you not log in as root. But I log in as root, as you can see, so I don't need to use the su command. Okay, our next command is pwd. By entering the pwd, it will show on where you are. I'm in the root, and the command is WHOAMI. WHOAMI shows to which user you are logging in. So I'm in the root. I'm logging as root, so it's being root. Okay. And the next command is cd. Cd command, what for? It will go on the. It will help to move in any directory, like enter. And so our next command is touch command. If you enter touch command and enter any file name .txt, I mean new file name, then it creates a new text file with the blank text on your desktop. Okay, and if you want to locate any file, it means as a search, you can type locate dash. What happens? Okay, you can enter locate space dash I, enter, and the file name. You remember middle name, first name, last name, any name. Like we enter proxy. Our next command is for making directory. MKDIR is help you. MKDIR is used for making any directory and then press any name that you want. As you can see, rocket name directory is being created, and for remove that directory, press rmdir and the file name. What's this? Okay. And our next command is apt space dash get. Apt-get command. apt-get. Apt-get what will do? It will install any app, it will upgrade your any software and all thing. It will get link and anything. Like let me show apt-get install, and then enter the software name like nmap, but nmap is installed already. Then press enter, and it's being port continue. If I press Y, it means yes, then software is running. it's being installing. Okay, I don't need, so press Ctrl S. And if you don't root user, then you need to write this. That command will help you. Sudo space apt-get install and man. Okay, and if you want to get an update, so this command will help you. Apt-get update. It will get an update for you. It's been connecting and collecting the links that you needed to for update your software. I don't want. And then you can write apt-get install, apt-get upgrade, apt-get upgrade, and if this will upgrade your system. So thank you for watching, my guys. It's Taggy Rocket.